This video shows how to install an optional hard disk drive into a Xerox C410 Color Printer. Press and hold the power button for 5 seconds to power off the printer. To prevent personal injury, unplug both ends of your power cord. Cut the tape and open the box. Remove the instruction sheet, hard drive cover, and hard drive box. Open the box and remove the hard drive with the packaging. Remove the hard drive from the bag and packaging. Remove the hard drive from the static bag. Remove the hard drive cover and screw bag. Remove the 3 protective standoff covers from the hard drive. Position the hard drive over the standoff holes. Press the hard disk until the standoff snaps into place. Remove the screws securing the rear cover. Remove the rear cover. Remove the screw securing the port cover and then remove the port cover. Remove the screws from the bag. Insert the hard drive cable into the port hole. Align the holes in the rear cover to the threaded holes in the hard drive cover. Position the hard drive behind the rear cover. Install the screws. Plug the hard drive cable into the connector. Reinstall the rear cover and replace the securing screws that were removed earlier. Plug in both ends of your power cord. Power on the printer.